In this course, you will learn how to make these 4 games using Python, the world's most popular programming language. And Python is popular for a reason. You can use it to make games and apps, run databases, build robots, and create artificial intelligence with ease. For example, here you can see me with my face being tracked by Python. This is a very simple AI program that takes about 5 minutes to write. It's very easy to do. And this is a general theme in Python. It is very easy to learn, but gives you a huge amount of power to solve basically any kind of problem you are going to encounter. And in this course, you are going to learn Python in the best way possible by making games. We will start with an asteroid shooter, then we will create a Frogger style game, next up is a top-down shooter, and finally, we will create a side-scroller like Contra. Using games to learn programming is incredibly powerful. You get to see results immediately, things are easy to test, and you will learn how to manage larger projects. Also, you get to shoot at sentient coffins, which is generally a plus. Besides these games, this course is packed with content. There's a whole part on how to use a level editor to create your own levels, if you want to expand these games. There's also an exercise in nearly every video. You can find the code associated for every video so you never get lost, and every concept I use will be explained visually using slides and drawings. There's also a Discord server where you can talk to me or other people in the course. I will answer questions both there and on the site every day. And if you don't like the course, you can get your money back within 30 days, no questions asked. And if you want to have a preview of the course, you can find the first 11 hours for free on YouTube. With all of these things, I believe that this course is a really powerful tool to learn Python, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the course. You can buy it either on Udemy for a price between $12 and $25, depending on what promotion they currently run. You also get the course for $9.99 on my own platform. This one also has better video quality, but other than that, the 2 courses are identical.